welcome back to my channel. So how is the lockdown going? I hope you guys are doing great and staying safe at the same time. So I saw that the internet was flooded with the Dalgona coffee posts. I wanted to give it a try myself, but I wanted to give it a little healthy twist of my own. So I decided to make a turmeric dalgona. We all know that turmeric is rich in properties which will help boost our immune system that we need the most right now. So I'm gonna make turmeric dalgona and with the ingredients that are easily available at our homes, and it's not gonna take a lot of time to whip up the turmeric dalgona. Let's begin cooking. Also friends, do not forget to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'm going to take my beater and slowly start beating this. I'm going to now add a little bit of regular cane sugar to this. According to taste, I'm just eyeballing a little bit of sugar to this. Pouring a hot cup of milk in my glass. The cream that we have whipped, I've just put it in a Ziploc bag like this, attached a nozzle. If you do not have a nozzle, just cut the tip of the Ziploc bag and you should be good to go. I'm going to pipe this over . Dalgona recipe, I am using 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, 1 tablespoon of sugar. The ratio is 1:1:1, and 1 tablespoon of hot water. Now I'm gonna mix this. When you see soft peaks like this, it's ready. Alright, plating time. I'm gonna add ice. Put in some cold milk.